In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete a YouTube channel on iPad. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start showing you the process, I want to make a disclaimer and say that as you can see, I am doing this process on my computer and not on an iPad. This is because, as of today, if you try to go to YouTube on your iPad and delete your channel from there, you will notice that it's impossible to delete only your YouTube channel from your iPad. YouTube only allows you to delete the channel from a computer like this one. If you try to do this through the mobile app, you will only be able to delete the entirety of your Google account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete only your YouTube channel. So using a computer, like I said, click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and go over to the YouTube Studio page. In here, select the settings icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Within the settings, select Channel, change to Advanced Settings and scroll all the way down until you see the other settings. We aren't going to delete the channel just yet, so click on Manage YouTube Account over here and you will be redirected one more time. Now, select Advanced Settings again under your channel and make sure this is the correct channel you want to delete. And in this page is where you delete your channel. As you can see, deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. Like I said, if you try to do this through your iPad, you will not be able to delete only your YouTube channel. Click this and follow with the instructions presented on screen. I'm not going to do it because I still use this YouTube channel, but you should go ahead and you will be able to delete it completely. I hope I was able to help you on how to delete a YouTube channel on your iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.